You can now nominate a pharmacy through patient access. Instead of having to pick up your prescription from your practice, you can pick up your medication direct from your pharmacist instead, where it's been sent electronically. You can nominate your pharmacy in one of two ways. One is by going through your account settings, and the other is when you're making a repeat medication request. First, search for your local pharmacy using a postcode. Select it from the list or the map and hit Continue. On the next screen, you'll see a consent request form asking you whether it's okay for us to send your prescriptions direct to your pharmacy. Hit Agree if you're happy with your choice. Now you have a nominated pharmacy, we can send your prescriptions direct to them to be filled. And you can change your nominated pharmacy at any time just by going to your account settings.